welcome back. So today we're gonna do some LEETCODE, and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna do JavaScript for this. I haven't studied any topics, and it's been a long time that I've touched data structures and algorithms. Like, I don't know anything about school anymore, so yeah, if you're interested in seeing me failing and those kinds of stuff, so make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me make it 600 every 7 years. And yeah, let's get into it. I already have it on the screen. I'm also gonna set a clock. I don't want to spend too much time. For the first time, I'm gonna spend 40 minutes. That might seem insane for an easy question, but then again, I have to get used to it again. So let's set 40 minutes and let's get a plan. So you're given two strings, okay? Word 1 and 2, merge. So coming together the strings by adding letters in alternative order, starting with word 1. If a string is longer than the other, append the additional letters until the end of the merged string. So what it's not saying is that that if it's on the end, that I also should start with word 1. So let's see if it does that. Example 1. Input word is 1 is ABC, word is 2 is PQR. A P Q C R. Missing will be merges A B C Q R. Oh, okay. Okay, just letters. Okay. Word done. A B P Q R S. So it is A P B Q R S. Okay. A B C D. So A C A B C Q C D. So constraints. Okay, lowercase. Okay. 1 is smaller than the total length. 1 is smaller or is equal to the total length, and word 2 length is smaller or equal to 100. Okay, so no more than 100 letters. Okay, so let's try to make a plan here. So I'm definitely gonna use some JavaScript methods, but let's see. I need to be able to fill these in. Okay. That's what I should, okay, so it's merging. So, alternate order, starting with word 1. Is word long is longer than the other? Append. Okay. So let me really think about that. So we have to merge, right? So we need to make a copy. So merging means copy both and make a new string. Okay? But first, I need to check the length of both. I need to check the length of both. I'm just doing it in regular order and like random order. I need to check if if they're not equal, the longer string is added to the end as a new array. Also, I'm saying word, so word is becoming chars. So these are the 5 things that we need to do at least. Okay. So there are a couple ways to do this, right? So I'm gonna do an if else. So I'm gonna check if word 1 and word 2 word 2 are identical, then like in length, right? In length. I need to know if they are equal in length. Then what I want to do I want to start with slicing word 1, then slice word 2, then make new array alternating them. So we're dealing with arrays and strings here, so I'm gonna go to the MDN and I'm gonna say like we can also do this without JavaScript methods, but yeah, I'm using JavaScript, so why would I? I want to know the array prototypes. So array from, what does this do? Shall I copy? Okay, console log array full, and this also was array full. Okay, so you can create an array from, and here it says x is x plus x, and it's inside the array. Okay, so you can make a function of it. So maybe we can use an array from method, but let me check first what we have. Array of oh, okay, you can make an array of this. Okay. Okay, we can use concat here. So we're gonna use, we need to use concat. We need to use concat. And we probably need to use join, right? We can use join. We need to use join. What is this? Splice? Okay, I don't want to deal with splice. Okay, and we're probably gonna use from. So array from. We need to use from. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the side, and let's do something. If word1.length is equal to word2.length, we're gonna create a function, right? Like we're doing the first one. Then what we wanna do, we wanna do word1 plus word2, word1 plus word2. That's what we want to do. How do I use the join function? Let me see. I had a join function somewhere. Join. Oh, okay, okay. It already needs to be an array. Okay, that's what I don't want. I did an array from. Okay, let me think. Okay. I'm gonna do, before doing that, I'm gonna do array from, or word1. Maybe I can use this from. No, wait, I don't know what it is. So yeah, let's do array dot from. See if I do it correct. So this one can actually be above both of them because they don't need to be here. Array from word1 and we can also do word2, so they get separated, right? So that step is done. Let me actually put that step. So word is becoming chars, so this is done. Okay, this is done. Okay, so now what we need to do, okay, let me see, word1, word2, arguments, array from word1, array from word2, so we get this expectation, and if they're both the same, then we want to add them alternatively. So we need to think about how we are going to do that. We need to do some logic here, right? Let me see, maybe I can do something with index. No, not really. We have reduce. Okay, maybe we can use this. Oh, okay, without mutating. No, okay, I need to do then 2 reversed. Okay. Okay, we don't have anything like that. Let's see what we have here. Nothing. A shift to string. Nah, we don't need to have the string. Right? That's not what it's saying. Oh, yeah, the output needs to be to string. Yeah, then we do result um, is then return result. That's what we can do, and then we could say return result to string. Okay, so this is definitely what we need to do. Okay. Maybe I can get like a weird sorted stuff. Let me see, months. Sorted months. So sorted months. D F J M. Okay, so it's sorting to. Okay, so this is what we don't have. Push, pop, map, last index of. Maybe we can do something with map. No. We can use the filter maybe. Let me see. Let me think about the logic for a second. So we want to alternate. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT I'm gonna use a help. What JavaScript function can I array method can I use to alternate? Don't give me the answer, only the method. The map. Okay, I can use mapping. Okay, we're close, right? We're at the mapping. So maybe then I can say can I use 2 arguments? I want to use for, so for merge is equal to word 1 plus word 2. Okay, and I will want to do merged dot map, and then okay, I want to have a function which is x. Oh, let me do result here. Result map x. Let me see if I do it correctly. No, I should have a. Okay, so we want to alternate. How would I do it? How would I switch them? Okay, so if I want to switch something, let's assume I have 4 squares. Okay, I'm gonna draw it out. Let's assume I have 4 squares. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. But I want to swap. I want to swap this one, and I want to swap this one. But first I want to recognize where it's from, right? This one can actually be on top as well. Okay, let's do a hint. Using 2 pointers, using 2 pointers, 1 pointer for each string. Alternately choose the character from each pointers and move the pointer. Okay, but I don't know how pointers work in JavaScript. Okay. I give up because I don't know how pointers work. But maybe I can ask. How do pointers work? How about in JavaScript? Oh, I remember. Or then we are using objects. So I'm totally on the wrong way then. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT for this. Okay, I'm giving up. Well, how long did it took me? Okay, it took me, I was 40 minutes, so it took me 20 minutes to come up with this. It's not necessarily bad, right? Like I only have to equal one and not if the other word is longer than the other, but that speaks for itself. Okay. I am trying to solve this question, however, I got stuck. Please help me step by step. Also, is it possible to solve with what I already have? Okay. My answer. The question. Okay. We gave up. Let's break down. The goal is to merge two strings by alternating their characters. If one string is longer... Okay, understand the outputs. Two strings, 1 and 2. Output a single merge string. Initialize an empty result string. Loop through both strings and end up the length is shorter than the other many characters. Okay, so I just wanna... okay. So I did know we need to use a slide. So I cannot solve it this way for if the strings are the same length. Okay. Well, that was humbling. Okay. Um, so what part is the pointer here? Yeah, you're not using pointers. But I got this hint. Is it solvable with pointers? Okay, this would kind of be my answer. Let's see how YouTube does it. They say this is easy. I was already struggling here. God damn it.
Hey everyone, tonight I'm working on LEETCODE challenge number 1768 called Merge Strings Alternately. In this challenge you are given two strings, word 1 and word 2, and you need to merge the strings together by adding the letters in alternating order, starting with word 1. If one string is longer than the other, then simply append the additional letters onto the end of the merge string, and you return the merge string at the end.
Okay.
So looking at a couple examples down here, first example is nice and easy. Both strings are the same length. So you would simply alternate A, then P, then B, Q, C, and R to get the output string, which is right here. Looking at example 2, we see an example where the two input words are of different length. So you get the output. One and two are not the same length. That's really kind of the only thing that really gives this kind of any degree of challenge. So I'll get into the code. What I want to do is just set up an empty string. This will be the variable that we use to build up the string as we work through. Then what I want to do is find what the length of the longer string is. So I'm going to be using the math.max function to do that. So I'll create a variable here, just call this max length, and set it equal to math.max. And this is going to find the larger of the two word lengths of our input words. So I'm going to say word1.length and word2.length. So what that will allow us to do is by finding the longer word and its length. Now as I set up the for loop, let I equal 0, I less than max length, I plus plus, and open that up. Now we know that this for loop is going to iterate all the way out to the length of the longer word, so we know it will continue for the correct number of iterations through that longer word. Now what we want to do is start adding letters from each word alternating onto this variable right here. But in doing so, we also want to check that we're not getting undefined. So essentially we just want to say if word1 at I, if that character exists and we're not getting undefined, if we've gone beyond the length of one of the words, then we want to add that character onto our result string.
Okay, I need to think about it for a little because I don't see any cutting here. Because it's assumed that it's a word, right? Like I'm not blind, right? Like it's a word. Yeah, so you need some cutting.
String right here. And then essentially do the same thing for word2 at I, check that it exists, and then add it on to our result string. And then at the end, simply return the result.
Okay.
And looks like that is working pretty well there. We go back to the code and
Okay, so we have a problem because now we're
take one more
missing.
look at it. Pretty straightforward as far as LeetCode challenges go. Really just determining the length of the longer word, using that to set up the length of our for loop, double checking that each character exists, and then appending it onto the result variable that we created at the top right here. Hope that all makes sense, and let me know if you have any questions below.
Yeah, because it's not finished. How is that finished? Let me see. Pointer for word, J for word. Loop into the end. Yeah, this is a while loop. I'm not a fan of while loops. Okay. Yeah, acts like a pointer. Yes. So we are missing these ones because it says that it needs to add it onto the end, but there is no such thing. So this question is not full. Okay. Lesson learned then. Okay, we're gonna fill that in. We're gonna make an account and fill that in. Sign in. I'm not sure if I need premium for this. Hopefully not. Okay, give me a second, guys. Password. Okay. Done. So let's fill in the answer. So basically, we're gonna say let res equal to empty string. Then we want to say I like the answer of the other ones. So which is also a let. You know what? I can use a const for. No, I cannot use a const for this. I need to use a variable for this. And we need to for length is equal to math min word one dot length word two dot length. Okay, and then we can say if let I equal 0, I is smaller than the length, then you want to say I plus plus. Did I write it correctly? Let me see. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. And then we want to say let we want to say if word one I exists, then we want to return we want to add the word one dot I, and also for the other ones, right? Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's how I do it. Then if word 2 dot I, we want to do result result plus word 2 dot I. Okay, but I'm saying if I should need to say for. Okay. Okay. Then I need to say if the word length is above, I need to both slice them. But I also need append remaining characters. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna copy those here. Wait. Oh, okay. It's gonna be here, something like that. Amazing. Okay. Okay, so where do I need to put my res? Return res. Okay. That's gonna be within the function. I'm gonna see return res. So this is my answer. So I'm gonna copy that. Answer. Okay. Test case. Okay, how do I submit? Okay. Please verify your email address. Bro, what are you doing? You I swear these things are more Yeah, I'm not gonna re-log in. Submit. You're just exposing me. I did verify. What is your problem? This confirmation link is expired. Issue a new email Oh, yeah. I forgot about that. Can I also use alt click here? Bro, some people, yeah, but this is not fair, right? Because there is no slicing. It's not complete. Oh, Jesus Christ. Using arrays. Oh, that's smart. You can use a word length. It's bigger than one, then it's either word 1, else it's word 2. Yeah, oh, that's really smart. Where's this dude I clicked on? I was like, wow. Like, I like shorts ones. Okay, so he did max length and rest. And he said, result is result. And he is using this short circuit. Oh. Yeah, but is he... I like this answer. I really like this answer, but I want to check what he did. So I found another answer on this. Could you explain the and the and why? Okay, let me see. Okay, wait. I'm not familiar with this operator. The operator is a knowledge clustering operator. It returns the right hand operand when the left hand operand is null undefined. I did not know this was possible. Can I improve on this? that part even, um, such that it is less code. This is not less code. Okay. Okay, so this is also a good answer. Bitwise. Okay, so then it will be bitwise. Logical and, logical or. Okay, but this is something else. Okay, so I really like that answer. Okay. Mine is not bad per se. Okay, and haven't seen any better answer. Yeah, you can use it with the push. I like these ones. This is more a C++ answer, and this one is more like a JavaScript answer. Okay, let me see what is in the middle, what most people did. This is what most people did. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna open. Like what I was doing was very dynamic. I wasn't thinking dynamically. This is not good. Okay. And this answer. Okay. No, I don't wanna unlock premium. I wanna go to my answer. Let me go to my list, my submissions. 16th of February 2025, and the result was negative, was bad. Oh yeah, we had like a logging example. So let's make a logging. Was thinking dynamically wrong direction. Okay, I'm gonna type mistake here, and we're gonna link that to another part, which is this cell, which is B2. Okay, let's do that. Let's go to link and current folder, place document, email address, reset file, browse pages. How did I do this before? Create new document, place in this document. How did I do this before? Let me check. Let me go to all chats. Excel linking. Let's see how I did it. Select the cell where you want to clarify code, hyperlink. In a dialog box, you can link to a web page and the document or specific cell in a workbook. Okay, let's go. 65 web pages. Place in this document. Okay, and then learning, and we want to do B2. If I click on here, it will take me here. Okay, awesome. Now we solved that problem. Let's improve it. This is my answer, and I want to do something else. So instead of madmin, let me think if I can do something. I could say result is equal to word1 or empty plus word2 or like that. Can I do if? Let me see. No, let's forget about the conditionals. It's not important right now. Okay. So this is a new submit. Wrong answer. APBQCR. What is wrong with this? There's nothing wrong with this. There's nothing wrong with this. Let me see. Oh, you need to concatenate. Forgot about that. Oh, obviously. Beats 93.13%. Memory beats. Okay. Let me think about some stuff. If I can improve this one. I could say if I remove these ones, does it remove the answer? Okay, so I do need those checks, but why do others do not need those checks?
This is where your story begins. I'm sorry I won't be there to see it, but I don't want you to be sad, Phunk. I want you to be amazed that any of us ever had a chance to be here at all.
Okay.
Good luck.
Okay, so I can move this other than. Can I do that? I did not know that. Let me see. I did not know that it was possible. Of course it's possible. Okay. So what I can do then is I can improve this one. Then I can remove the entire length here. So I got rid of that. Let's see. Run. Oh yeah. But then we have an issue with these ones. Yeah, okay. But okay, let's get rid of those for a second. Interesting.
Without love, without anger, without sorrow, friends just take it.
It's an improvement though. So I wanna submit this answer. Okay, this is a bit better. So I saw an answer without the min max. That's really good. God damn it. Okay. That's a beast. Oh, that's really good. Okay, I'll keep it for this for now. Okay, save. Oh, I really need to follow that. Oh, god damn it. I think that is it for me, guys. See you later.